So I think the session went very well. It's a surprise to see how developed the market is over here in India. I have to say that the manufacturers are putting a lot of effort in allowing and helping the industry grow. It's very interesting to see also that my colleagues, panelists, especially on the online market, the market is growing very well, it's being very developed, and I see there's huge dynamics in wanting to take private brand to the next level. I think exhibitions like this one are the center of the innovation for the private brand market. We do need more and more events like this one that are able to connect suppliers and retailers and allow both parties to develop and take the market to the next level. So for next year, my suggestion will be keep doing an amazing job as you are doing this year. It has been growing. I wasn't here last year, but I know that it has grown quite a lot. Very enthusiastic concerning to the way you guys have organized this, and keep pushing it forward. And I think this is really the future.